Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe with Target affiliates step by step clearly. Look for the join or sign up button on the homepage. Click on that button to begin the registration process. You will be directed to a new page where you can create your account. Fill in the required fields, including your name, email address, and a secure password. Review Target's terms and conditions, as well as their privacy policy. Once you have read through the documents, check the box indicating your agreement. After agreeing, proceed by clicking the Create Account or Submit button. Next, check your email for a confirmation message from Target affiliates. Open the email and click on the confirmation link provided. Once your email is confirmed, return to the Target affiliate site and log in with your new account. Now that you are logged in, navigate to the affiliate section. Browse through the available affiliate programs and select the ones that interest you. Click on the Join Program button for each program you wish to enroll in. Fill out any additional information required for the specific affiliate program. Submit your application and wait for approval from the program administrators. Once approved, you will gain access to affiliate links and marketing materials. You are now ready to start promoting Target products as an affiliate. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.